سعيدا كن فريدا عش بفخر في الحياة لا تبالي فالمعالي بالتحدي لا
Assalamualaikum, sister.
Waalaikum assalam, sister.
What is your name and from what section are you?
My name is Najas C. Jusser Abdallah and I'm from grade 9 Socrates.
Waalaikumsalam. I am Tasnima Yuhabangon from grade 10 Taguboy.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Amal Hayati Sultan from section Morse.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Siti Mariam C. Arau from section 9 Hockey. I prepared for this Ramadan is the time management, especially when our academic, kung paano natin ito magagawa habang nagfa-fasting tayo.
I'm studies about like some hadiths and I watching videos about the lectures in social media and I practicing to perform 5 times a day prayer.
Actually, I don't prefer much this Ramadan. Like, hindi ako fully aware na malapit na yung Ramadan kasi syempre city ito and iba yung preparation sa probinsya and sa city. Sa city kasi parang wala lang, parang Ramadan na. Pero sa probinsya pinag-aandaan, may mga decoration pa. So parang iba-iba yung yun lang po.
I prepared myself this Ramadan physically and mentally, just like trying to improve my deen and having goals this Ramadan.
Mostly is yung enough sleep. Kasi may klase tayo mga 6 AM hanggang 12:30 and then after that is may mga mga natitira pa na mga gagawin na assignments, activities.
As a Muslim student, hindi siya madali but for the sake of Allah and actually like practicing for like NMAPE for this coming festivals and yun yung like sa practicing and hindi maiwasan yung mauhaw but tiis-tiis lang for the sake of Allah.
For me is the bad jokes of our classmates and I overcome this is hindi ko na lang sila pinapansin, nagpo-focus na lang ako kung ano yung nakakabuti sa akin.
Some common struggles for me is like the school performance like PT performances like dancing and also dancing because it is hard affected kasi siya sa grades then also not eating kasi minsan pag nag-practice masyadong nakaka-exhausted.
My piece of advice is just focus of what you are doing and gawin mo lang kung ano ang mas nakakabuti.
Never give up. Always trust Allah. Never stop praying and never stop never stop being kind to everyone.
Because it's Ramadan for me, I will tell you that don't stop praying for Allah, for Allah's forgiveness, and say sorry to the people that you like may ginawa ko masama sa kanila.
Okay, same reason. Don't stop praying and always ask forgiveness for Allah too, for all the bad things that you've done, and say sorry to all the things that you've done and never stop believing in Allah.
My advice for them is don't give up whatever happened. As a Muslim, do what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala want him to you and wag sila sumuko sa kanilang pagpa-fasting kahit na hindi madali mag-practice. Don't break their fasting.
My piece of advice to my fellow Muslim students is kayanin natin to because we are practicing Muslima and Muslim, and kayang-kaya natin itong i-overcome.
A piece of advice for my co-students who are fasting also is like i-overcome lang natin, like hindi natin masyadong isipin na hindi tayo nagkakain, like parang daily lives lang, and also let's try to avoid haram things like listening to music and also being too much touch with our male friends for sure.
Message for the Ummah this Ramadan is do more good deeds like reading Quran instead of reading Wattpad, watching Symposium, and yes po.
Patatagin nila ang iman, and especially in our brothers and sisters in Palestine. Hindi madali yung kanilang karanasan doon, but ang taas ng kanilang iman and for Allah, and kahit na wala silang makain, go pa rin yung kanilang fasting.
The message I would like to give to this ummah is we should know how to respect others, and also I hope some ummah this Ramadan also, lalo na yung mga governments sa mga Arab countries, I hope sana ma-hear out nila yung mga Palestine in sa like even relief goods or kaya kung hindi nila kaya mag-fight, help na lang ng mga relief goods, just like what Jordan did to Palestinians,
Food is the dates.
Definitely biryani.
Yummy.
Me, my mom's cooking.
Biryani as well, and everything that my mom cooks.
Adobo.
Love eating fruit salad.
chicken curry, and also roti. Why? Because mahilig kasi ako magluto ng chicken curry, and also my favorite, and roti, like as in the best combo with chicken curry.
Bird said, "That's my Lord." The little bird said, "That's my Lord." The little bird said, "That's my Lord." Allah the Creator. So Allahu Akbar, our Creator. There's no one greater than Allah. So why do we stand tall, too proud to recognize what's right before our eyes? Signs from the Lord. Hey alligator, laying so still. Who's your maker? By whose will do you crawl and do you swim? Who controls everything? The alligator said.